JSW MG Motor India at the Bharat Mobility Expo 2025 has unveiled two cars. One is the electric sports car, the MG Cyberster, and second one is the electric limousine, and that is this. It's called the MG9. The MG M9 measures 5 meters in length and runs on 17-inch alloy wheels. It also gets these sliding rear doors and you get this very tall and upright stance for this electric limousine. Also up front you have a closed off grille, body colored grille with vertically placed headlamps and horizontal DRLs. The same pattern has been followed for the rear profile with vertical tail lamps. At the rear, the M9 has this protruding roof spoiler and then you have vertical tail lamps on both the sides that are adjoined by this illuminated strip. Here is the MG logo and on the right hand side you get this M9 EV badge. And now that we are finally seated in the cabin of the MG9, we are welcomed by this very premium and upmarket looking cabin. The dashboard here follows a dual theme. It's grey and silver out here, and you also get a glove box down here. Besides that, the aircon panel here is fully touch based. Now let us know, do you like the touch based panel or rather prefer a button one? Above here you get a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and right now it shows all the electrical displays of the vehicle. And then here you have a 2-spoke steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster, and because this is an electric vehicle, you get a floating center console. So you've got loads of storage space here, more storage here, which is cooled, and then out here you have more storage. There's no transmission tunnel, more storage here, a wireless charging pad here, a type A charging port, one more type A charging port, and a cigarette lighter here. Up above you've got this split sunroof and the digital IRVM, which is operated with the reverse one. So you don't just get a automatic IRVM, but you get a digital IRVM. Now we talk about the rear seats because that is the USP of this car. The entry in the MG9 second row is through these sliding doors. And once you're in, you're greeted by these two lounge type seats. These are ottoman seats. This can be adjusted electrically. They also get a massage function. Additionally, you've got loads of storage here. You've got good place to place your foot. There's more storage space here and then also on the backrest. Now the seats on the MG9 are not just powered, but it has this cool thing. You open this armrest, press this button, and you also get this sliding and foldable tray. Not just that, you also get touchscreen for both the passengers right here. So if you give this a touch and a swipe, this is how you can operate all the seat settings in the rear. You get massage function, you get heating function, and all the power adjustment. So now that is how the cabin of the MG9 is. Also this third row space currently folded down, but we will sit back and tell you how's the comfort in the rear row. Now the MG9 is a 3-row electric limousine, and that means you get a third row of seats, and the interesting bit is that you can actually slide the third row of seats this way, and if not needed, you can fold it away using this and this, and that gives you a lot of boot space to access. Besides that, in terms of safety, you get 3-point seat belts for all the rear passengers. You do get some storage space on both the sides for your cups, and you get a fairly nice low loading lip. And now coming to the main bit, what are the specifications of the MG M9? Well, this one runs on a 90 kWh battery pack and feeds the electric motors to produce 241 bhp and 350 Newton meters of peak torque, claiming a driving range of 430 kilometers. Now, if you want to book the MG M9, MG has opened the pre-reservations and the bookings will start from March, and the deliveries are expected to commence from April. As an electric MPV, it has competition in the form of the Mercedes-Benz EQB, but that is relatively smaller in size. Its ICE version, its ICE competition in fact, is the recently launched Kia Carnival that is priced at rupees 63 lakh rupees ex-showroom. What do you think of this new electric MG M9? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.